Hello everyone and welcome to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. Last time we made a video on Superstar policy explaining everything about it. Now, what if I tell you that Superstar has now become more epic, more coverages, more benefits and more super. This plan has been reorganized into different curated packages and one of those is called Secure. This is part of a recently introduced Star Flexi, which Superstar in this video will walk you through everything you need to know about Secure package. Stay with us until the end so you don't miss any key details. Now let's start with the eligibility criteria. The package is available in two types, individual and floater. For individuals, anyone of 18 years and above can apply. There's no upper age limit. For floater, adults aged 18 or above are eligible along with dependent children between 91 days and 25 years. Next, let's look at the sum insured options. Here, sum insured refers to the maximum amount Secure will cover. With Secure, you have several options like 7.5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakh, 50 lakh and 1 crore. Sum insured option 1 crore can be offered only up to 60 years of entry age. Now that we have talked about the eligibility criteria, let's get right into the coverages. Starting with the room rent, you can choose any room category you want with no restrictions at all. I'll walk you through everything that's covered under your sum insured. This means whatever sum insured you have chosen, all these benefits apply up to that amount. You get coverage for home care treatment, domiciliary hospitalization, and both pre and post hospitalization expenses, that's 90 days before and 180 days after your hospitalization stay. Professional fees, medical tests, medicines, ICU charges, modern treatments, IU's treatments, and yes, all these are completely covered up to your sum insured, including organ donor expenses as well. For more details, you can check the policy documents attached in the description. Secure also comes up with features like freeze your age, unlimited automatic restoration of the sum insured, and cumulative bonus. To know more about this, check out our video on Ultimate Guide to Superstar Policy. Link is in the description. In Secure, you will also get the benefit of dental checkups. Yes, you heard it right. It is payable only for one insured person under each policy in a policy year. This includes a consultation with the dentist, an IOPA, and scaling. This benefit is available in both second and third years of the package and can only be used on the cashless basis. Then there is something called a premium waiver. So if the proposer, who is also insured, gets sick with a listed critical illness or dies in an accident, the company will waive the premium for 1 year. That means you or your family won't have to pay the premium for the next year and your health insurance stays active without paying anything for that year. Now you might be thinking, okay, just a couple of changes. But wait, there's more to it. Here are some additional coverages for the Secure package. Let's see it one by one. With this package, you get the benefit of limitless loyalty bonus. With this, you get 100% additional sum insured for each renewal, irrespective of whether you make a claim, without any upper limit. Let's understand this with an example. So, if your sum insured is 10 lakh, you'll get an additional 10 lakh added to your coverage every year. So, for the next year, your coverage would be 20 lakh. This pattern continues into the third and fourth year and more, with your sum insured increasing every year. Next, we have a new game-changing feature called Sum Insured Multiplier. If the insured person has opted for this cover, Secure allows him or her to combine the annual sum insured of the base across the entire tenure in case of a multi-year policy. It can be utilized once during the entire term for a single claim. For example, if the insured person has a 3-year policy term option with annual sum insured of rupees 10 lakh, the total coverage available under this benefit shall be rupees 30 lakh. Rupees 10 lakh into 3-year term period, which means rupees 30 lakh, and the insured person can utilize it once during the entire period for a single claim. Next we have is health booster cover. By opting this, if the insured person doesn't make any claims for 7 continuous policy years, Star will give you an extra 100% of the base sum insured as a health booster. This benefit is available only once for every 7-year block. For instance, if your base sum insured is 10 lakh and you make no claims for 7 consecutive policy years, you'll get an additional 10 lakh as a health booster, doubling your cover to 20 lakh. In this package, you also get the benefit of durable medical equipment cover. If the insured person has chosen this cover, Star Health will pay for the cost of renting or buying approved medical equipment up to 1 lakh once in a policy year. This is only covered if the equipment is prescribed by the treating doctor after hospitalization for the same condition that the claim was made. List of the equipment are mentioned on your screens. Next up we have is nursing at home. If the insured person has chosen this cover, will pay a fixed amount of 1,000 rupees per day for up to 10 days in a policy year for nursing care at home after hospitalization. This is covered only if the nurse is qualified and works in a hospital, the treating doctor confirms that home nursing is necessary, and Star Health has already approved the hospitalization claim under the inpatient treatment cover. Next we have is preventive health checkup. Every insured person aged 18 years or older can avail a preventive health checkup once per policy year per insured person under package A. Keep a note that there is an initial waiting period of 30 days before you can use this benefit. Now, health insurance has gone beyond just providing care, but also helping you in your life journey with eConnect cover, which includes 2 major components. Number 1, access to virtual fitness sessions, nutritionist and wellness coach. Number 2, eInternational second medical opinion. This cover is quite innovating and modern. Offering virtual fitness, AI coaching, and access to nutritionists can really motivate people to improve their health and lifestyle, especially for busy individuals who may not have time for in-person visits. The eInternational second medical opinion is a strong value add-on, particularly for people facing serious medical conditions, as it allows them to get expert advice without the cost of burden. This is a forward-thinking cover that promotes global access to medical advice. Secure package also has consumables cover. In this, you are covered for essential items like nebulizer kit, steam inhaler, gloves, oxygen mask, or other medical supplies from these lists as shown on your screen that you might need during your hospitalization stay or treatment. Normally, there might be exclusions for these items, but with this coverage, you're all set. Next up we have is the grace period cover. To know about what is grace period, you can check the pop-up link on your screens. Now usually during grace period, you're not eligible for a claim, but with this cover, you can file a claim and the insurer will provide coverage for applicable covers in the base cover itself. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like the content.
Hey, there's more to it.
More to it?
You didn't talk about the optional covers.
Yes guys, for optional covers, you can check the Ultimate Guide to Superstar video. Link is already there in the description.
No bro, there's even more to it. Can we take a cut?
There's lot more to it. Hang in there because this is going to be epic. Let's start with the newly added optional covers. Although there are more optional covers, for that you can check the policy documents. First we have a Stay Fit cover. With this special cover, Star Health goes beyond just health insurance. It supports your journey to better health. If you're 18 or older, you can enjoy cashless access to gyms and fitness centers in Star Health's network with 7 sessions a week. There's a 30-day waiting period when you first opt in, and you're free to choose from empaneled fitness centers listed on the Star Health app. Then we have is the Mamta optional cover. Star Health truly understands the unique health needs of women. If you have opted for this cover, you can access a wide range of online wellness services through the Star Health's network and digital platform based on your chosen plan. This women's wellness program supports you with care for important health concerns like PCOS or PCOD, osteoporosis, PMS, anemia, STIs, UTIs, and even cervical and breast cancer screenings, as well as contraception guidance also. It's Star Health's way of going beyond health insurance, offering proactive care to help women stay informed, healthy, and supported at every stage of life. The other details are shown on your screens. Next we have is Param Seva Rider. For insured members aged 56 and above, Star Health offers comprehensive online wellness services designed to support their health and well-being. Once you opt for this cover, you can access these services through the Star Health's network and digital platforms as per your selected add-on. A 30-day initial waiting period applies. It's part of Star Health's commitment to go beyond health insurance, helping seniors stay proactive, informed, and cared throughout the policy period. Check out the documents for more information. Let's talk about in-clinic consultation optional cover. With this, you can access in-person consultations with general physicians and a wide range of specialists on an outpatient basis, all on a cashless basis at Star's network clinics. Depending on your package, you can visit doctors like pediatrician, gynecologist, dermatologist, cardiologist, orthopedic surgeons, and more, up to the number of visits listed in your documents. There's a 30-day initial waiting period when you first opt in, except for injuries or accidents. Next up we have is Value Network. If you choose this cover, you will be entitled for a discount of 15% on premium, subjected to this condition. Inpatient treatment, daycare treatment, or Ayush treatment must be taken in a hospital listed under the Value Network, which you can find anytime on our website. Now, if you choose to go outside the Value Network, except for accidents, a 15% copay will be applied. Now, let's check what is long-term deductible. Just keep in mind, the Value Network list keeps evolving as we add or update the hospitals. So be sure to check our website for the latest list. If you choose the long-term deductible option cover, you will need to pay a fixed deductible amount just once for the entire policy term. Whether your policy is for 2 years or 3 years, the deductible applies to all hospitalization expenses covered under your base policy, but it doesn't include expenses related to maternity or newborn care. This option can't be chosen if you have already opted for a voluntary copayment or voluntary deductible. And remember, this option is only available if your policy term is more than 1 year. So these are some of the new riders which have been added to the Secure package. Remember to check out the documents mentioned in the description. The other riders are mentioned on your screen, and to know about explanations on these riders, you can check the Ultimate Guide to Superstar Plan video to get more information about the Superstar policy and all the other riders. Now let me explain why Secure is one of the best long-term packages. Let's take an example. You choose this package with a sum insured of 10 lakh for 1 year policy term. Now, if you are claim-free for the term period, that is 1 year, then automatically with cumulative bonus, you get an extra 50% sum insured the next year, which makes your total 15 lakhs. Now comes the limitless loyalty bonus. With this feature, as said, you get an additional 100% sum insured for each renewal, and that also regardless of any claim. So now with limitless loyalty bonus, cumulative bonus, and the base sum insured, the total 25 lakhs. Let's talk about next year, which is the third year. So you renew your policy in the third year, and now you get another cumulative bonus of 50% till you reach 100% of your sum insured, which means by now you get the cumulative bonus of 10 lakh, 5 lakh from second year, plus 5 lakh from the third year. Again, here as well, you get the limitless bonus, which means now your limitless bonus total is 20 lakhs, thus making your total for the third year to be 40 lakhs. By the fourth year, this pattern repeats, but now your cumulative bonus will not increase because it reached the maximum sum insured. This pattern continues again and again till you renew your policy for all the coming years. As soon as we complete the 7th year, your coverage increases to 80 lakhs. Isn't that crazy? Now, what's more crazier is that the same pattern continues for the 8th year as well. But now, you get one more awesome cover, which is the Health Booster. So if you stay claim-free for 7 consecutive policy years, Star Health will provide you 100% of your base sum insured again. So now, you have your base sum insured, cumulative bonus, which is 10 lakh. Then you have your limitless bonus, which is 70 lakhs. And now with the health booster, you get 100% of your base sum insured added again, which means it becomes another 10 lakhs, which makes your total 1 crore. I hope you understood how your 10 lakh sum insured policy turned out 1 crore. So that's all for this video, guys. We talked about different covers from eligibility criteria, premium waiver to Mamta cover, and even health booster. I hope you were able to understand what Star Flexi offers. Put down your queries below if you have any doubts. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Star Health Insurance for more such content.